Hi, we're the Sunshine Sisters, and today we're going to heart attack our neighbors. Do you know what heart attack is? You get to cut out hearts and leave them on our doors, and then we treat you one right. We need paper, marker, and we should cut out some hearts, glue, glitter, and scissors. First, we're gonna make a card.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna draw half of a heart on a card, and then I learned this trick, and you get to.
Use an S.
Look, we get to put it on one card. I'm gonna make it a card. Doing this heart attack because my neighbor got a baby, but he had a little infection in his heart. But he's finally home, so we're making a heart attack.
Yeah, we
Heart
only
attack.
changing.
I love fun heart attacks. I never tried it before. But I'm good. It's kind of cool. And it just works. Oh, that's worked. Now we're gonna write messengers like I love you or Jaden, I love you. So see? Now we're gonna write I love you for his baby brother.
Oh.
We're gonna write the baby brother. I love you. Now we're gonna make the mom's card because I want to make her a special one because she had a hard time. See? I'm gonna make a special heart. This one's for the baby brother, and now we're gonna do glue and glitter. First, I'm gonna do glitter for him. Now I'm gonna shake this glitter on. Next, we're gonna decorate the cookies, but I'm still drawing.
Who's on
You know what
that
it
thing?
says? It says, I love you! See? Exclamation point. Now our homemade cookie is done, so let's decorate! Oh, this is so yummy!
This is so yummy.
I get to sprinkle them. Oh yeah, I get to use these ones. That looks good. Okay, now let's eat. Here we go. That's delicious. Can't believe it. That's so delicious.